Good morning, students. Today, today I am going to explain how to write PISA CCT 8 exam on PISA website. Now, first of all, you have to type the PISA site on the Google Chrome, or otherwise directly you can click on the link that is provided by your teacher in WhatsApp. Then it will open this site, PISA site. Then here it is showing the user ID, user login and password. Then go for the login, and this login and user ID and passwords also provided by your teacher. I am going to log in now. Password also same as user ID. Then after that click on this. Then it is showing this window. Then go to the CCT test. It is showing the CCT test, home, reading challenge, profile, training video, FAQ, logout it is showing. Then here you can go for the CCT test. In that it is showing the question paper. Click on the question paper. Then download the English medium question paper CCT 8. This one CCT 8 you can click and download it. CCT 8 if you want Hindi medium, then you can click on the Hindi medium and you can download it. After downloading, then you can open that PDF file. After opening, take a question paper and read the first question. Okay, for example, the question paper I am going to download now. After downloading, it will show the question paper. Then take a white paper and write the question number 1. Okay, here the CCT practice test it is opened. You see here question number 1 you can write, and which is the correct relevant answer that you can write it here. Okay, like this for every question you have to write the relevant answer on a paper. Okay, first question A option, second question B option, third question C option, like that you can write the all the answers of CCT 8 on a paper. After writing, then what you have to do? Okay, then attempt the test, go for the test. Then select the, here your name displays, class will be displays. Select the academic year 2021. Later you can select the CCT 8. Then here it will show question 1. Then in this question 1 here there is a one box it is showing. Then you write in this, if out of 4 options, if any option is there, you write the correct option that already you wrote on a white paper, right? And here you write A or B or C. Then after that, if there is no option, then you write N. Like this every question you have to attempt. Already you wrote the answers of every question on a question paper. The same, by seeing the question number, you write either A or B or correct answer, relevant answer you can write for certain question. After that, you attempt all the questions. Okay, there are 30 questions are there. For every question you write certain option. After that, what you have to do, you have to press the save button. Okay, after pressing the save button, then it will be saved. After that, what you have to do, then you have to go for the log test. In the CCT test you can go for the log test. In the log test it will shows again your name and class. You can select the academic year 2021 CCT 8 you can select. And in that, if you save that one, okay, then I am not saved, but if you will save, then it will show whatever the answers that you typed, that you gave, that will be displayed here. Okay, then after that, down you can go. If any changes you want, you can make. Okay, and then you can go down and you can lock it. This locking is very important. If you will not lock the exam, then your marks cannot be calculated. Okay, that's why the locking is very important. I will revise once. Okay, first of all you have to log in. Okay, open the PISA CCT link, either WhatsApp or in Chrome. Then after opening, you can log in with your user ID and password. After login, then this window will be displayed, and here after login this window will be displayed. This window is appears to you. Then in that, go for the CCT test. First download the question paper, or sometimes the question paper may be provided by your teacher through WhatsApp. You can open that one, and what you have to do, you have to read the question paper and write the answers, relevant answers on a white paper. First question, second option B option, third question second question C option, third question D option, like that relevant option you can write on a paper. And after that, you press on the attempt test. Then after that, you have to go for the log test. These are the three steps that you should follow while writing the exam. And the exam in the Patna region, right, for the JNV students, it will starts on 21st second 2021, and it will end on the 24th to 2021. Okay, after this you cannot write the exam. This is the most important exam. Okay, and on the 15th March the result will be declared. Okay, it is showing on the site. Okay, and after the exam you can log out from here. And all the best for your